Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card on crypto.com. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Once you are inside your crypto.com application, simply tap on the option of buy here on the home page. Now it is going to show you all of the coins and the cryptocurrencies that you can basically purchase here on crypto.com with the help of your credit card. So since we want to buy Bitcoin, among the given coins, you need to tap on Bitcoin icon. Once you do this, you will be shown this type of page where by default it is going to get the $100 worth of BTC and show you the equivalent amount that you are going to get. If you want to change the price, you can simply tap on the option of price and you can enter your own amount. For example, let's say $200. Now by default, it is going to show you your wallet, whether it is a Google Pay wallet or your Apple Pay wallet here. But since we want to purchase it with the help of a credit card, simply tap on this option. After that, you will be shown the option of debit or credit card. So tap on the option of setup and now you will be redirected on the next page where you need to basically add your card details. Over here you need to provide your name on the card, then your card number, expiration CVV, then tap on the option of add card. So once your card is added over here, you need to simply review your order and make the payment. So once your payment is done with the help of your credit card, you will be able to purchase Bitcoin on crypto.com very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.